Alright, hello once again, Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College. And as part of the Rankin Technical College AWD1112 Java Android programming class, and the fact that we're on extended spring break this week, or students at least are, I've decided to go through this document that is entitled Balsamiq Mockups First Project. This again is going to start us on our way. What I'm hoping we're going to be able to do is use Balsamiq Mockup and mock up what we want our advanced resume app to look like. And the reason for doing this, just so you're aware of it, is I'm going to ask that the project that you do for the rest of the semester, your semester end project, you will mock this up with a wireframe as we're doing here also. Alright, so to begin with, right click on products and services and select duplicate. An exact replica will be created. Alright, we're supposed to rename this About Us, so let's start with that. Alright, so there's that. Let us now create the page elements for About Us. First, highlight the About Us link from the link bar. To do so, select the link bar and then from the properties, under the selection, choose Products. And actually, I think this one we want to be About Us. Alright. So let's go back to the last one and see if I did that one right. On here, when we click on the products and services, that should be on this one. Finally, when we go to home and we click on here, that should be home. Hopefully that's all correct now. So home, products and services, and here About Us. I think that's all correct. All right. Remove the products and services label. The block of text and the horizontal rule. All right, there's the horizontal rule. There's the products and services. There's the text. It looks like what we want to do here, as I'm looking on page 13 from our handout, is we want to come in. Let's just do this. We're going to click here, I'm going to drag this up. Click here and I'm going to drag this up. And it looks like right here we want this to say About Us. Alright. Okay, and I'm looking at it, looks to be correct to me. Now that going up here, putting in a rule, and putting in an H rule like we did before, I'm doing the best I can to try to make it look like the way it looks on the on page 13. So right here, what you see is meant to mock, mimic, whatever you want to say, what is right here on page 13. All right? Okay. With About Us, company websites often introduce their team members. Let us use the UI element user for showing it. First, create a label called Our Team. Then, in the quick add box, type user from the options and select user circle. All right, so let's start with the Our Team. Okay, so we've got that. This looks to me like it should be moved up a little bit. Same with this and this, which will allow us to move this up as well. I think that looks a little nicer. All right, okay. So we created a label called Our Team. Now in the quick add box, type user. All right. From the options displayed, select user circle. And I think we should just be able to double click. There we go. All right. When we insert the icon on the properties pane, we will be able to see options for icon sizes. See the following screenshot. Select XL from the sizes. Now you see all this stuff. I'm not going to play with this 6464. I don't know about this 72. I mean, we could try this. 72, 617. That's got it down pretty far on the page. And I don't know if we want it down that far. So let's move this up. Okay. All right. And it looks like we want a total of 5 of these. Doggone it. Well, I don't think that looks too bad. How's that? Here we complete the About Us page. It's relatively easy if you know all of the controls and how to place them on the screen. All right. And I'm not, how far am I in here? I guess we're at 10 minutes, so we can stop. All right. But let's check this out. There is a somewhere up here on top. Not sure if that's it, but there is a preview. So we're on About Us. We should be able to go to any of these, and we're not able to right now, which is not a good sign. So we'll have to fix that. This page looks okay. All right, but we're going to have to make sure that we're able to go over and play with all this, fix it, make it look, I guess, the way that it's supposed to. That looks good. That looks good. That looks good. So here we want to link to products and services. We want to link to About Us. So that should be correct. Here we want to link, in fact, let's go back to here. Let's not put a link to home. So let's put no link, because we're already on that page. We haven't done the Contact Us page yet. Here, let's link to home. Again, we won't go to product and services because we're already on that page. And we can go to About Us. Finally, with the About Us, we can go to the home page. We can go to the products and services page. And the About Us, we don't want to go anywhere. We're already there. Now let's just check and see if we run this again. There's products and services. We went to About Us, it looks like. Here's products and services. Now, we're at products and services, but we should be going to the home page here. Looks like we're not, so we'll have to fix that. I think I've goofed these up somehow. That About Us, that is correct. That is About Us, so that one is correct. This one should be products and services. I believe that one should be home. So let's change those. In fact, let's do it the other way. Let's do for now I'm just going to name it that. Alright, here I'm going to rename this home. And I'm going to rename this now products and services. And I would like to, does it let me reorder these? There. Alright, so there's home. Home. So here will be no link. This will be for products and services and About Us. So that one's okay. This one will now be home. There is no products and services from here, so that'll be no link. Let's try to run that one more time. There's home. There's products and services. and there's About Us. I think products. No, that's not right. That's the home page. I'll double check those, but I think that's it for right now. I'll come back and do the Contact Us momentarily.